What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I assembled most of this engine block. There's a few odds and ends I need to put on, like the timing cover, fuel pump, water pump, intake manifold, carburetor, oil pan, all that stuff. But anyway, it's mostly come together. I have the whole bottom end assembled, valve train, and I assembled my brand new comp cams camshaft. And for some reason in the footage I filmed when I was installing it, I never once mentioned my camshaft, but I was pretty excited by it. The box that came in here, ordered off Jegs, but comp cams, high energy cam series, I believe. On the cam card here, so you can see the specs. Yeah, anyway, it's kind of somewhat mild. I mean, it's a lot more aggressive than the stock one. It's not like crazy, they make way more wild cams than that, but it's a good, I think it's wild for just a normal street cam though. That's what it is. Hopefully it'll get a nice rumbling idle. I don't know. Okay, so just a quick update. Got all 8 pistons cleaned up pretty nice, and the blocks underneath them. Got most of the rocker arms and push rods cleaned up. It's kind of a before and after. Didn't do that side yet. That side's pretty good. And got some stuff soaking down there now. But I do have this, started to take this head apart while I'm waiting for stuff to soak. You can see, got in there. It's pretty nasty in there. Definitely have to clean it out. But yeah, kind of where I'm at now. As you can see, I just took this valve out, and that's on the intake side, but that is nasty. It's covered in oily stuff, which I did set this whole head in the parts washer, so that could have just been all that oily stuff went inside the port, which it probably wasn't a good idea to stick a whole thing in there, but oh well, that's why I'm taking it apart now, to clean everything like that. This is taking apart this head, and this is an intake valve. I got it out there, but look at that nastiness inside. That's all nasty, cruddy, nasty stuff. It's definitely not good to be sucking that in. couple things since I last turned on the camera. I put the oil pump in place and the new timing gear and timing chain from Comp Cams. So, yeah, looking pretty good there. Alright guys, I just got my stuff from Rock Auto, as you might have seen in the unboxing video, and now I am going to install it. Okay, so I got a little bit done with the motor, and I got the water pump on and the oil pan on. So we're making some good progress. Alright, so this is gonna wrap it up about for this video. One thing I have been struggling with is I did break a bolt off the exhaust manifold when I was taking that off, and it's just been having a rough time trying to get that out. But hopefully we can take care of that. And in the next video, we're going to be preparing the block for paint and buttoning up other parts of the engine. And hopefully before long, we can get it in the truck. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.